Good morning, good afternoon, good evening all over the world mga paps. So ayan ang ating si Mazda 3. So this time dito tayo sa garage to check the window because there's something wrong. If you can see, ayan, every time I turning to close the window, so it's not closing properly. Maybe there's something wrong. The window glass is not aligned, or the track has a problem, or yeah, let's check what is the problem in this window mga paps. So first we need to take out those two screws. So we need the Phillips screw. Ayan, gumamit na tayo ng drill to make it fast to remove those screw. And then after that, after removing the screw, we need to snap. Ayan mga paps, natanggal na natin yung screw at ayan, tanggalin natin yung tweeter. Then we will break the clip. Ayan, only holding that cover is I think a 5 clip. Ayan, after snapping, ayan, remove na natin. So after removing the cover, we need to remove the harness or the wire. Ayan, if you can see, you see the wire. Ayan, I'll show you which one. So that the wire is connection to the our switch for the window. So we'll start to remove the 10 pieces 10 millimeter screw. So gumamit na naman tayo ng ating drill para mabilis. Ayan, binilisan na ni Papa. So the next thing is you need to remove the door lock. Ayan, we need the flat screw. Just press the inside the thing and pull a little bit. Ayan, pull natin siya, and then remove the two cable. See the two cable, you need to snap. Ayan, pull a little bit, ayan, and then remove those two cable. So yeah, there's a guide how to take it out, and then the rest is snap that plastic screw. Ayan, to remove or to pull out that cable. Ayan, that plastic lock. Ayan, need to remove. Then take out the speaker. Ayan, I will remove the speaker first. Ayan, so there's a 4 screw, and then pull the connector. Ayan, and then snap a little bit again. And so it's hard, so yeah, we need to press counterclockwise. That is the gear for the regulator. So the window regulator is connected to that gear. Ayan, it does snap that wire again, and then remove some clip for the wire. So it's not hard to turn around that black cover. So that cover is covering the window and the window track inside. So after removing that, we will see what is the problem, what is wrong, why it's window it's not closing properly. So ayan, that door lock cable, we need to pull a little bit, push to turn out that cover. So ayan, so there's another harness, but it's hard to remove, and I don't know how to take it out, so just leave it. Ayan, that's the cover of the other harness. So ayan, we need to snap again and turn. Ayan, that's the harness that I'm talking about. So I don't know how to remove it, so just leave it, and then pull that window regulator. Yan, the window regulator that connected to the gear before is you need to remove that, and then another snap. So there's another clip, so you need to remove that clip so that the cover is easy to turn it around. So ayan, turn it around na lang natin. Ayan, little by little. So see, the window glass is out now. Ayan, so I need to check it out and connect it to the truck. So ayan, that's the problem or the issue. If you can see, there's a missing screw. Ayan, the 10mm screw that holding to the glass, the window, and that window regulator. So I don't know what happened, why the screw is missing. So as far as you know, I bought this car 2 years ago, and before, every time I'm closing the window, I need to hold it because it's not going to the proper track. So I mean, it's hard to close. So now it's broke. So ayan, we need to install the door lock again. So the last is door lock. So ayan, I already installed the door lock. Then put some screw to hold that cover. Ayan, then install those gear. Ayan, na-install ko na yung gear at saka yung regulator. So now I'm putting some screws, and ayan, panoorin nyo lang mga paps. I'm not a professional. Okay, so one more lap. Okay. Fish. I'm using a 10mm. Return this clip. This is for the speaker. Screw it. Return. Change this. And then we will return this cover. But first, we need to install this cable, okay? Clip. Okay. Need to return now. Ayan. Ayan. Ayan yung mga screw dito. Balik natin. Ayan, ito yung screw. Ayan. We need to return this. Then we'll return all the clip. And the clip, yan, one. There's a clip that holding it. This one, ayan. Tignan natin yung clip. there's some clip in here. So then okay, then return, and this is the last. Ito nyo yan. That one will return the another screw. This. Then put it down. Okay. Testingin natin yung window. Kung maglalak to. Okay, naglock. Testingin natin yung window. Ayan. Ayan, nagsarado na siya mga paps. Baba, down, up. Okay. Nakita nyo naman before, ayaw siyang sumarado. Ayan. So now it's closing now. So kabit natin yung ating cover. At tapos na yung project natin mga paps. So yan mga paps, so another project success again sa ating 2008 Mazda 3. Ang window won't close properly or fixing window. So hope you guys get an idea how to fix the window, and you can do it. So you don't need to go to the shop to fix the window, because I did mine and you can do yours. So yan mga paps, thank you very much for watching. And those people who not subscribed yet to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, Papa and Papa's Vlog. And please don't skip to all the ads, and please click the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa mga i-upload ko pang video. So yan lang, thank you very much for watching, and I love you all. Papa and Papa's Vlog ang nagsasabing bye bye.